Good evening, Palm Bay. Lisa Morrell, City Manager. Wanted to get a message out to our community regarding the coronavirus. It's a worldwide health crisis, and here at Palm Bay, we're taking that very seriously. The city is actively participating with Brevard County Emergency Management. We are collaborating with the Department of Health, state officials, as well as the CDC and other federal agencies during this time. I would like to have Palm Bay focus on the things that we can do as individuals, as a community, to keep each other safe, to do that protective measures. That's hand washing, soap, water, 20 seconds, dry them. Do this regularly, do it often. Avoid crowds and gatherings, limit our attendance with others of less than 10. Keep a distance from others. Give that 6-foot separation to avoid coughing or sneezing or transferring bodily fluids between each other. That's where that germ is going to be most prevalent. We can monitor our health. If you're not feeling well, stay at home and watch your symptoms. If your symptoms were to get worse, contact your healthcare professional, especially if you're feeling a little fatigued or excessively fatigued, all of a sudden, have a cough, shortness of breath, or any respiratory issues. If you're if you're elderly and you have a compromised immune system, please avoid crowds. Ask for help to get your groceries and make sure that you're sustaining your health as well. The city's committed to safety and wellness of our community and slowing the spread. On Friday at noon, our city facilities were closed to public access to limit the exposure for our employees and the public. We are open to provide a modified normal operation via phone, email, and online services. The City Hall main number is 321-952-3400. The non-emergency public safety line is 321-952-3456. The Florida Department of Health Information Hotline is also available 24/7. That phone number is 1-888-779-6121, and that is available 24/7. Our website has been redirected to an emergency response page, so if you go to our homepage on www.palmbayflorida.org, that page has been set up to redirect you right to the COVID-19 facts, figures, information, community resources, business resources, in-person city services, supplies, and prevention. This page will continually be updated as new information is provided and learned. So if you want to stay informed, we have links to official sources and e-notification sign-up. Our community resources out there that have feeding programs for children, blood donations, a lot of third-party services out there that are trying to help our community and others maintain their wellness during this crisis. Business resources, that's very important. Resources for all the economic impacts that are related to the loss of business through the EDC, state of Florida, small business, and even the IRS. So those are evolving as we go. A lot of declarations have been had and acts have been passed, and so as things become more known and factual, they will be on that page. As I mentioned, the in-person city services, we've listed all of our contacts and email and services that we're offering during this time to keep our city served in the manner it needs to be. Supplies, we are getting information about senior shopping times that seem to have increased to new dates and times with different grocers and supply chains, so we're happy to put that information out there for you. As well as prevention, so reminders of touching, washing, distance, gathering, and cleaning. That's very important during this time. It is a virus. The Florida Department of Health reports that we do have one case in Palm Bay. As such, we really ask the public to heed the warnings and the guidelines for personal safety and show others you care by following those guidelines. It's important. Give people their space, be respectful of that, be kind during this time. It's hard because there's a lot going on, and there's a lot of information, and there's a lot of unknowns. But we do know is that we're human, we're people, and we'll get through this together. We may be practicing our social distance, but we are in this together. So I just want you to make sure that you check on your mom and dad, check on your elders, check on your kids, make sure that everybody gets a recess from all the news and media. It's Florida. That's one thing we do have a benefit for. It's been good weather. It's a little dry, but I want to make sure that we're looking out for one another. So we're in this together. Everyone has a role to play. Please heed the warnings. Take care of the protective nature of the human person that lives next to you, that you pass on the roadway, that you work with, that you care. It's very fluid, very dynamic emergency response. This is very much very different from most disasters that we experience in our lifetimes, and this one will be truly a mark of of lessons learned and things that we move forward to do. I'm pleased to serve. We do have people that are staffed here at City Hall, as well as teleworkers. We might be a little slower to respond, but we're here to serve you. Please sign up for Alert Palm Bay. Our website notifications are available online as well, and follow us on social media. Thank you very much. Have a good night. Stay safe. Be well.